Hey Samantha, do you want to come open some blind packages with me?
Oh, sure. I'd love to. What kind this time?
We have animal jams this time.
Oh my, that sounds like so much fun. I'll be right there as soon as I finish this yummy sandwich.
Alright, I'll be waiting for you when you're done.
Hi guys, and welcome to Butterfly Candy. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Today with me I have my doll Tara and mini Samantha over here. And we are going to be opening 5 Animal Jam house surprise boxes. I just love these figures. The last time I believe I opened a fox. So let's get into these and find out which new animals we got. This first one is an orange package. And I believe there is 4 different colors. I think it's orange, green, pink, and blue. And here's the little animal's house. Who did we get? We got a little yellow and pink one. And I believe it is another fox, but maybe like a female fox this time. But here's her little house. Oh, how cute. And she comes with a little butterfly accessory. Uh-oh, her head is just too big. Well, okay. And here's her little bowl. She came with a green bowl. And now let's find out her name. On this long sheet here. Alright, so it's actually an Arctic wolf. And she is a gem. Pretty cool, and she's got a little glitter on her hair. Love the butterfly. Alright, let's open a pink one. It's another yellow one, but it kind of looks like a bunny so far. Oh my goodness, so cute! Put her little house here. And what did she come with? It looks like maybe a chef's hat. And she came with a little Red Bull. Throw that in there. I like her better without. Okay, let's find out what her little name is. It is a bunny. Let's open the green one here. And I did find these at Walmart, but you can buy them on Amazon as well. The little greenhouse. Oh my goodness! It's a little love panda! Oh my word, how adorable is that? Oh, favorite one so far for sure. For sure. Okay, and it came with a tiny purple ladybug. Not sure if it can focus that small. And then a green bowl. Oh, and it goes right on its back. So, he has a little ladybug on his back, and that is Panda. Okay. And on to the next one. There we go. Ooh, looks pretty unusual. Ooh, Well, this is an interesting little guy. What do you guys think it is? It comes with an orange bowl and a little bow, so it must be a little girl. Oh, it's a cheetah. It's a little cheetah girl. Okay, and just one more left. Looks like a little pink one. Aww, it looks like a pink fox. Came with like a flower, I think, and a blue bowl. Their little houses are so cute. They look like little dog houses. Let's make sure that it's a fox on the sheet here. Yep, it is a fox. Alright guys, well that is all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed opening these fun blind packages with us. You can find these at Walmart or Amazon and probably other toy stores like Toys R Us or Target. So make sure to be looking out for these. In store they're about $2.88 and online I believe they're about $5. So if you can't find them in your store, you can always find them online. Well, take care guys and have a great rest of the day. Bye!